Abasanda wa Nthi ya Israel Vake Gideon Behar Niwakulya Aimi Vake Kwikwatya Mbua Nimani yo na Vandu Vake Maikumbatilya Nima ya Kunyithya ainena mondani umwe ula utumia nima ya Kunyithya ungua utethio kuma Nthi ya Israel utoini wa ngomano wodi ya Masongaleni kaunti ya Makueni. Abasanda oni wawetakana kwa oyu toyesa Kwendeka Kwikwatya Mbua na muno evindani ye kwina mawaliuku manene manzeve mulinge nukuelezea.
Ainena kavinane kala watambuka kisioni cha ngomano wodi ya Masongaleni Makueni kuthuimomo mulati la Nthi yake ya Israel Kwikwatya Mbua kutumia mwaki wa sola kukuna kihuku ngitha maleume ondani. Gideon Behar no tambanda Kunyithya ni umukulu wa 13 na wale umuno kwa isio ila imimekota sembua ta isio isi ya ukambane.
The most urgent need today in Kenya, also in Africa in general in Israel, is to move into irrigated agriculture. The time of rain-fed agriculture is almost over because of climate change. And as the time will pass by, we will see how rain is declining, the patterns of rain are shifting, and we need still to grow our food, we need to eat. And the best way to do it is via irrigation, drip irrigation with solar panels, with solar pumps. This is the way to do agriculture and to support the small farmers, the small holders. They make the backbone of farmers of agriculture in Kenya, in Eastern Africa.
Vandu kwanze venekitinda kinene kimocho othothete kuoleka kwa viwango cia mbuisi oni kivatho nyota isi ya ukambane vala ikwatamba umbanda iya Kunyithya kutumia mitambo ya sola. Waweta mitambo ni tona kusesea maliuku mana nasuya ya imwe kwa imwe na wengi utumiwa mashini cia kukuna kiwili thokona cia mawithiluloko.
Drip irrigation based farming with solar power for the dry and semi-dry areas of Kenya. This is one of the main responses for the climate crisis today. On the other side, we can see experiments of agrivoltaic field, a field that uses solar energy to pump water, and underneath the panels they grow tomatoes, they grow other kinds of vegetables. So this is an excellent example of Israeli technology in work, in cooperation with the University of Arizona and many other partners.
Maeke vindani umwa enendelame konete na mulati uwa nema kisioni kicha ngomano wodi ya Masongaleni kauntini ya Makueni.
Nutusomete varieties mbingi tukamanya ino ni ele kwikanesa kukito Masongaleni ino ndi kwikanesa ino ni affect yawa ni midudu ino ndi affect yawa tunaena manana varieties 13 lakini 5 inaenzeo na nina umise usiao mwingi around 10 ngiri 3 na kuambata ambapo tutanaseka na banda ndengo na yusi emeondane already tunengi wetu abanda ne this sender na yuni mwana kwena meloni so ni asia itutwaite basa ithi miaka eli itatu yukite ngavana goka kwethia kila nyumba no ndikiri Nthi isi usoma
Mutongo TV kuma Masongaleni Makueni nyenito wa mulinge